Sure, we all know that virtual property tours are one of the most effective ways to showcase a commercial space. But I know what you're really wondering. How much does it cost to make one? My name's Patrick Morrison, video producer on the marketing team here at AQUILA Commercial. And in this video, I'll go over some of the costs that are associated with creating a virtual property tour. When it comes to creating a virtual tour, you really have two options of how you want to get them created. First one is to produce your tours in-house, and secondly, just to outsource a company to make them for you. Some of the costs you're going to have to consider when producing your own in-house virtual tours are going to be the cost of the camera. These are going to be specialized cameras called 360 cameras, and some of the most popular brands in this space are Matterport, Ricoh, and QCam. Now the price of these cameras are going to range anywhere from a few $100s all the way to $4,000+. The second cost to consider when producing in-house virtual tours is the cost of the software itself that you're going to use to create and host your virtual tours. Now, most of these softwares are going to be hosted online, so they're going to come with a monthly charge and can range anywhere from $12 a month all the way to $300+ a month. The two leading softwares in the industry right now are going to be Ricoh Tours and Matterport. Matterport is going to be one of the more expensive and time-consuming softwares that you can get, but it's also going to be one of the most professional and highest quality tours you're going to be able to create. It's going to provide you with a Google Street View style navigation that users are already very familiar with. It's also going to produce a very cool 3D rendering of your space, or what they call a dollhouse view, which will allow you to view the space from a bird's eye perspective. Ricoh Tours, on the other hand, is going to be incredibly easy to use, quick to produce, and less expensive than a Matterport. One of the great middle ground softwares that I found is AQUILA.co. It's going to give you a lot of customization that you can use inside of your tour, as well as custom graphics and incredibly smooth animations and transitions. And really, it just gives a great overall tour experience for an incredible price. The last cost you're going to have to consider when creating virtual tours is going to be the time investment. It can take anywhere from 30 minutes to over 2 hours to photograph a single space for a tour. Ricoh Tours is probably going to be your fastest program, whereas Matterport is going to be some of the most time-consuming that you can find. Using the Ricoh Tours app in a small space should really only take you about 20 to 30 minutes to create from start to finish, whereas a full floor or building can take several hours to shoot and create when using other software. If you don't want to worry about creating these virtual tours in-house, you can always hire an individual or agency to create them for you. These are usually priced on a per square foot basis, similar to a test fit, but we are seeing a lot of companies charge a base fee up to a certain size, and then an additional charge per square foot after that, usually anywhere between 10 and 25 cents per square foot. Well, I hope after watching this video, you have a better understanding of what costs are associated with creating a virtual property tour. If you have any more questions or simply want to learn more about the power of virtual tours, visit our website and contact our commercial leasing team today. And remember, no one knows Austin better than AQUILA.